Tired of project management chaos? This video will be everything you need to unlock the power of Jira on your Windows machine. First things first, let's get connected. The most common way to access Jira is through your web browser, like Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. Locate the browser icon on your desktop or in your taskbar and click it. Now, in the address bar at the top, type in your company's Jira URL and hit enter. You'll be directed to the Jira login screen. Here, you'll need your username and password if you've forgotten your login. There's usually a link to recover your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll see your Jira dashboard. This is your central hub. It usually displays your assigned tasks, ongoing projects, and recent activity. Take a quick look around to familiarize yourself with the interface. You have to know what you want to do. Find and select a project that you are part of or that has been shared with you to access. This board visualizes the workflow, helping you track progress. Click and drag these cards across the different columns to track your progress. To work on a specific task or issue, simply click on a card. Here, you can view details, add comments, update the status, and assign it to different people. Remember to save any changes you make. For easier access in the future, consider creating a shortcut to your Jira site on your desktop. This will save you time instead of opening directly and typing the site. Additionally, make sure you have the necessary permissions to access the project boards for your team's projects. And that's it. You're now set up to access and navigate Jira efficiently on your Windows computer. Keep experimenting and explore the vast number of features